everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'm going to show you my version of summer salad. It's fresh, crispy and crunchy and it's super easy to make. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients for my version of summer salad. We have quite a few ingredients. These are my favorite ingredients and I'm having this salad all year round. So for this salad I'm going to need 5 tomatoes. I have like small tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes. It's entirely up to you what do you prefer. We will need a half lemon for dressing. I have 2 cucumbers, the small one. I have an avocado. I have half of the red onion. It's super crispy in the salad and it gives a very sweet taste as well. I have 2 peppers, 2 kapia peppers, and I'll use a few leaves of the lettuce. And as well I will need salt, pepper and about 30 grams of 2 tablespoons of olive oil as well. For the dressing it's entirely up to you, as well as the lemon. If you like more acidic, you put more lemon. Okay, and for the crunch I have a mixture of toasted pumpkin seeds and linseeds. These are my favorite combo of seeds because first of all it's healthy and it's crunchy and it gives an extra touch to our salad. So for this salad I'm going to need just a few leaves. Make sure that your lettuce is already pre-washed and dried out, otherwise it will be a lot of moist in the salad. Okay, I'm removing the base of the lettuce. So the hardest job for the salad is done. All the veggies are chopped here. So look at these colors. I love this salad especially for the color. I'm going to prepare my seeds, my oil, my lemon and salt and pepper. And I'm going to do the dressing for my salad. So here I have squeezed half lemon with salt and pepper. I'm going to add the olive oil. You might be wondering why I am using a jar. Just going to show you how to make an emulsion, just super quick. Okay, and the dressing is done. I'm going to pour it over the salad. Again, here about salt and pepper, it's entirely up to you. It's to your liking. I'm going to put half of the toasted seeds now, and the other half I'm going to decorate it when I'm going to put it in the plate. So now what we have to do, we just have to give it a good mix and it's ready to go. As well, you can add here if you'd like feta cheese, or you'd like to maybe to put some boiled eggs, maybe some hemp seeds. It's entirely up to you. This salad, it has the base, and as well for the veggies, it's entirely up to you what veggies do you prefer or you'd like in your salad. I like it a lot because it's crispy, it's fresh, and it has this crunch as well. It has this acidity from the lemon, so it's perfect for anytime. So here is my salad, my version of summer salad, summer veggie salad. It's super healthy, super fast to make. It's like literally under 10 minutes. It has a lot of ingredients. It's super tasty as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, if you would like to add any ingredients, extra ingredients, it's entirely up to you. You can put here cheese, you can put egg or hemp seeds, any addition, or if you don't like onion, like red onion, you can put shallots or you can put fresh onion, but this version I found it to be more suitable for me. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting every week 2 videos on every Tuesday and every Friday. Healthy recipes, quick recipes that is like suitable for your diet. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much. See you in the next video.